Hello guys and welcome. I have a pernil which I will be making in the oven, which I just washed and I pat dry. Let's start preparing this pernil. Let's get to marinating this so we can leave it in the refrigerator overnight and slow cook it tomorrow. Alright? And Josh is adding some garlics into the pernil.
When you press me to your I will with roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem turning into love songs.
And here is how our mixture should look. We have the sofrito, the cumin, the vinegar, the oil, and all the other ingredients. What we're going to do now is we're going to be adding it to our pernil. Ready to marinate and ready to be put in the refrigerator, and it gets all those flavors in really good. Alright, so I'm going to leave it overnight and I will show you guys tomorrow the finishing product. Alright, so I'll be back tomorrow to show this to you guys. Alright guys, bye. So I let it sit overnight, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking one of these oven bags, and I am also going to be putting it inside the oven bag. So let's unwrap this. Alright, here is our pernil. This bag is going to inflate in the oven, okay? So I recommend putting it all the way on the bottom level, so it doesn't burn from the top. And I'm going to put it just like this with the skin side up because I want this to get crunchy, the chicharrón. All right, so that's what we're going to do now. I already set my oven to preheat to 350 degrees. 350 is about an average temperature, which is pretty good. So let's put this in the oven and let it cook. All right, and I'm going to be making other sides for it. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Right. So as you can see, I put it on the lowest level. See the levels here? I put it on the lowest level. Everybody's oven is different, so go with what is according to yours, okay? And as you can see, it's not even inflated yet, and you can see that it's close to the top. So that's why I say put it at the lowest. All right, so we're gonna let it cook 350 degrees. I'm gonna check on about an hour or so, an hour and 30 minutes, see how it's doing. All right, we'll be back. And here it is. We're not done yet, but it's getting cooked really good. See, the bag is inflated, and I think it's already done because as you can see here, I don't know if you can see the chicharrón, and you can see the bone. Yummy! I'm so hungry.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling I'm feeling high. feeling high. I'm feeling high.
I hope to see you on the next one, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and making it with me. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and also share with your friends and family if you know it's something that they might want to do or might want to be interested. Don't forget to check out my blog, Abu's Cafe, ABUS, cafe.food.blog. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out and be yourself and stay true to yourself. From mi casita to your casita. Bye!